Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my strategy how I cleared CSIR UGC NET June 2020 with All India rank 166. In the first video I have already discussed the few tips and tricks and also the first 4 units with their important parts or topics you can say. So in this video we will be proceeding with unit 5 and other units. So let's begin. Now we have unit 5, that is DEB Bio. So, the first important topic of this unit is potency and the cell fates. You should know what are unipotent cells, what are multipotent cells, and what are the different fates of different cells. So, this is basically the introduction part of the DEB Bio, which should be very clear to you. Second is embryonic development. The next is symmetry and the cleavage. Cleavage is very important topic. We get question in the form of match the following. In section C we get question from this part. Cleavage part. Match the following questions. Then we have axis in the pattern. This is to be done in chick, Drosophila and frog. All the 3 organisms. How the axis and the patterns are determined. Next we have islands production. This basically comes in the form of mutations. That if you mutate this gene, how will be the islands production will change or what will be different results of it. So this come in experimental based form. Then we have vulva formation. It's a very small topic, interesting also. This is basically vulva formation in C. elegans. Easy topic to prepare. Then is lymph development. Very vast topic this is. A lot of genes you should know related to lymph development. Then we have differentiation in neurons. Then we have sex determination. This is an easy topic and scoring also, if you prepare it. Then is flowering development or flower development in ERA process. For sure question comes, mutation studies come on this topic, flower development in Arabidopsis. It's an easy topic. You can go ahead with this topic. So these are the 10 important topics from development bio. Now we will proceed with the next unit, that is unit 6 and plant physiology. Plant physiology and the 7th unit, animal physiology, are very vast. So it's not very easy to prepare them. So I will surely suggest prepare most important topics, because decreasing your load increases your efficiency. If you have to study less, you will definitely study in a better way. So let's discuss unit 6, plant physiology. First important topic is electron transport in photosynthesis. Z scheme, that is. Then is phytohormones. From phytohormones part you need to learn their function and synthesis. a long back only the question was asked in the form of match the following with their functions, but now they ask question from pathways of also how they are synthesized. Question come from this also. Secondly, metabolites. Match the following part with the examples. Second is phytochromes, very important. Then C3, C4, can plants, important. Light and dark reaction. Photoperiodism. Pathogen and their diseases they cause. Very important topic. Match the following. A lot of questions asked from this part. Pathogen and the diseases. Then is nitrogen metabolism. In nitrogen metabolism, questions are basically asked from genes part. Transport through phloem and xylem. So this is about unit 6. Now let's see unit 7. Unit 7 is animal physiology. So let's start with the important topics. First important topic is hemoglobin and blood group. Next is ECG. Then is reproduction. Then we have excretion. CNS, PNS, spinal cord. Very important. Then is vision, touch, hearing. Gases and the transport. Action potential. Neural control of organs. So these are the important topic from unit 7. Proceeding with the unit 8. For some people this unit is very interesting. For some people this unit is very tough. That is unit number 8, inheritance biology. So let's begin to see its important topics. Unit 8, inheritance biology. Okay. First important question is monohybrid and dihybrid cross. Then is probability problems. So that is basically a probability problem is you are giving chart what is the probability of being affected, the child born will be affected by the disease, such type of question, probability problems. Gene interaction pathway, Very, very important. Every year we get a question from this gene interaction pathway. Then we have linkage and mapping. Little complicated, I believe this topic is, but once you understand it, it's very easy. You can do it very easily. Then is complementation. Very easy topic, but because we are not well aware of some topics, they become difficult for us. Once we get to the topics, things become easy. Pedigree. For sure question comes from this pedigree analysis. Then is population genetics. Very, very important, for sure question comes. Population genetics. Then we have inversion and translocation. Mutations. And the last topic is tetrad analysis. So these are the 10 important topics from Unit 8, Inheritance Biology. Proceeding with the next unit. Unit number 9, Diversity of Life Forms. This unit is basically about learning. So I will suggest those who can learn, please do these topics. And for some people who can't learn, I believe you can do at least some which are frequently asked. Doing some topics which are frequently asked increases the chances. So let's begin with the Unit 9. Diversity of life forms. Taxa and classification. From this unit, the questions, same questions with the basically not the questions but concepts are repeated year after year. So you should be very clear about some things. Taxonomy of plants and animals. Then we have evolutionary history. Phylogeny, important. And criteria of classification. I suggest these topics from this unit. These 5 topics from this unit. So these are from the Unit 9, Diversity of Life Forms. So let's begin with the next unit, Ecology. Very, 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 very important unit. Do it. Do it, just do it. Unit 10. I remember मैंने पहले 2 attempts में ecology prepare नहीं करी थी and I regret it later on. But this year I did ecology very well, and not just that, but I did PYQs also, and a lot of things to prepare ecology well. So I just suggest everyone, whether first attempt, second attempt, third, or how much attempt, or a final try, do it. So let's begin its important topics. Unit 10, Ecology. Easy unit once you understand it. First is population growth genetics. How the population growth. You should know all the graphs and the equations related to it. अब अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करने के बाद ऑब्वियसली मुझे अच्छी लगने लगी है, पहले नहीं अच्छी लगती थी. Then is age pyramids. Then is survivorship curve. Then is RNK selection. Then is ecological pyramid. Then is interactions, community interactions, Lotka-Volterra curve. Then is ecosystems, marine, terrestrial and all. Then is biodiversity conservation. I believe last part of ecology is a lot of theory and you need to mug up. So we can do it also. जिनसे याद होता है वो कर लें इस पार्ट को. Biomes, and the last is population control. Easy unit, just do it. Definitely do it. Next is unit 7, evolution. This unit I believe is related. That means every topic is related to another topic. So this becomes a little complicated. Otherwise the unit is easy. Unit 11, evolution. Okay. The first is all the theories you should know. Darwin's theory, Lamarck's theory. Then is time scale. Very important. Every year we get a question on this time scale. Every year. Time scale, molecular evolution. Then is phylogeny. Then is natural selection. Speciation. Then is kin selection. Hamilton's rule. Very important, Hamilton's rule. Then is behavior. Island biogeography theory. Very, very important. Basically graphs from this theory are asked. Then is all the rules. Allen's rule, these rules. So these are the important topics of evolution unit. Coming to next unit, applied biology. So this and the unit 13 are very important for this section C. So let's do them. बेसिकली जब हम सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं तो हम ये जो दो टॉप यूनिट्स प्रिपेयर करते हैं, यूनिट 12 एंड 13, हम बेसिकली थ्योरी पे बहुत फोकस करते हैं. क्या प्रोसीजर है, क्या प्रिंसिपल है, बट एक्चुअली जब एग्जाम में आता है तो इसका एप्लीकेशन पार्ट आता है और हम भूल जाते हैं कि एक्चुअली एप्लीकेशन पार्ट में हमें रिजल्ट एनालिसिस आना चाहिए. सो आई बिलीव यहाँ पे जो मेन चीज CSIR के लिए प्रिपेयर करनी होनी चाहिए वो है इसका प्रिंसिपल एंड इट्स रिजल्ट एनालिसिस. So let's begin with unit 12 important topics. First is secondary metabolites. Same as plant physiology. You need to prepare them for this unit also. Then is vaccines. You should know examples. Which vaccine is of which type. Transgenic plants and animals. Then we have bioremediation. Then is genomics. Then is animal and plant tissue culture. Then we have biosciences. or immunotechniques, you can say. Immunotechniques is very interesting and it's a good topic to prepare. I suggest preparing this topic. Ria, ELISA, all these. Coming to last and the most important topic or unit of the CSIR exam, Unit 13, Methods in Biology. For some it is very easy, for some this unit is very difficult, but you have to prepare it. To score well, you have to prepare it. So let's begin the discussion on this unit. First topic is vectors. You should know their capacity, which gene size can be inserted in them, what are their property and the different types. Agrobacterium, very important, we definitely get a question from this, agrobacterium. Do it. Molecular markers. RFLP, AFLP. You should know their application and how the result are analyzed. And the result analysis is very easy. Microarray fish. Then is mass spectrometry. Mass spectrometry result analysis is basically asked. Then is NMR and CD spectroscopy. Then we have microscopy. All the types you should know, and microscopy types and their function you should know. Immunotechnique same as that of Unit 12. Then we have blotting. Then we have statistics, and not just these topics but some other topics also. Knockout, electrophoresis, and Kryloscopy. These are also the. This unit is very important. To master section C, you should prepare these topics and this unit very well. So this is all about my strategy, how I prepared for myself and which all topics I prepared. I focused on 13 units with top 10 topics. So with this video, my strategy part is clear. From the next video, I will be uploading one by one each topic. We will be starting with the topics from the very next video. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. And for any questions, you can comment below. Thank you and have a nice day.